Where are my markers that I just bought in 2 days ago? And I don't know what I'm singing, but I need to fix my board with his shiny marker lightsaber because I am bored. Oh wait, that rhymed. I'm not bored though. No. Why don't you fix it, guys? Maybe I can do it upside down? Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, yeah, that was weird. That was a weird intro. Anyways, I'm gonna just scribble this in with the whiteboard marker that I bought 2 days ago. So, I was trying to do a thumbs up, but the marker was gonna fall. And then, so guys, this is my board. This is my board, and this is me. That's me. It's me. And it's Friday, guys. You know what that means? Jokes with Brogs, which is me. So, topic for today is elephants. Elephants. I can't make an elephant noise. Is that how they do it? Yes. Anyways, well, how I do this is get out of here. Okay, so how I do this is I pick a topic every week for Friday, and then I've got little dice in this thing. I don't know if you can even see me right now, but whoops, I take out the dice, I roll them, and then 5. I rolled 5 and I put them together. Wait, I rolled a 4 and a 1 and I put them together and it's a 5. Woo! Okay, I can't really talk that well because I don't know. Anyways, and then I get my handy-dandy book that I read out of, and then however many jokes I rolled, or numbers I rolled, I'd say that many jokes. So here I go. I'm gonna roll the dice again because that was just a trial run, and I like sounding in a monotone, and I just don't toss the dice. No! Okay. 7. Okay, the first one I have marked. Ooh, these have pictures. What's big, gray, and wears a mask? The elephantum of the opera. Do you see the picture? It's this one. It's this one, my friend. If thumbs up if you get it. Yeah, you get it? I get it. On to my next one. What was the number again? 7? 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it was 7. So 1 down, 7 more to go. 7 more to go. What am I saying? 6 more. What's gray and highly dangerous? An elephant with a machine gun. They don't have a picture for that one, but I'm just imaging it and I'm just like, nah, that's funny. Okay, 2 down. I got more to go. Huh. They're making soup. I love soup. That was not a joke. Anyways, what's big, gray, and flies straight up? An helicopter. I didn't mean to sound like a British person, but get it? Elephant, helicopter. This one has a picture. See? I hope you can see these because they're kind of cute. They're cute pictures. So, here we go. 3, 24 more. Okay. What's gray, beautiful, and wears glass slippers? Cinderella elephant. Cinderella and elephant. Huh. It's Goofy. See the picture? She's got blush that looks like a heart. I'm gonna do that. Blushing heart. Okay. Anyways. How many did I just do? 4? 4? Okay. Number 5. Patient. Doctor, doctor, I keep seeing pink and yellow elephants. Doctor. Have you seen a psychiatrist? Patient. No, only pink and yellow elephants. That's funny. just did 5. Number 6. Oh, I should probably show you the picture, huh? Oh no, where's the picture? About the how do you say that? Psychiatrist? There's a psychiatrist picture. Wow, this book was $3.95. What a ripoff. These jokes suck. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, the last one. It's not hard to choose. What's a good one? What? What? Let me choose. Ha! Here's a funny one. Okay. Zookeeper. I've lost one of my elephants. Other zookeeper. Why don't you put an advertisement in the paper? Other zookeeper. Wait, no. Zookeeper. Don't be silly. You can't read. Oh, God. Anyways, that was my unforgettable elephant jokes. Are you forgetting them yet? Did you forget the unforgettable elephant jokes? I don't know. Anyways, this is me just being goofy like a tree. What was I looking at earlier? I don't know. I was looking at something and then I just randomly said tree. I said tree and I didn't mean to say tree. And then, yeah. So, this was my first episode of Jokes with Brogs. Thank you for tuning in on Friday. I'm not going to start saying that. Now. Oh. I'm still alive. And if you like my background, thumbs up, yo! So, yeah. I feel like I should do something funny. That's funny. Stand contest. I see you blinking right. Ah, damn it. Right when I said blink, I blinked. God damn it. I am not good at this game because I can't blink it when I say blink. This smoothie is kind of crunchy. I'm gonna go because I just lost this. Because I blinked when I said blink, 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 blink. Peace. Wow. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye, Broggies.